By 2024, AI is expected to replace 800 million jobs, reflecting its rapid growth and the public's concern. Just this May, AI displaced 3,900 jobs. Yet, AI's impact isn't solely about job loss, it's about market transformation. In just 1 year, AI has evolved from answering basic questions to creating art, coding websites, and disrupting industries. This year, we'll see both job displacement and the birth of new millionaires. Those who harness AI's potential could find lucrative opportunities in 4 key sectors, shaping the future of innovation and wealth creation. In the realm of digital content, video translation technologies like HeGen and PicaArt are pioneering the way we share and consume media. HeGen, for example, offers the capability to translate videos into various languages, including Japanese, with just a few clicks. While it may not be perfect, the translation is remarkably accurate, even for those not proficient in the translated language.
ようこそ、チャンネル登録と通知ベルの有効化を忘れないでください。
This innovation is facilitated by tools like the HeGen translator, which simplifies the process of uploading a video, choosing a language, and translating. The result is a video accessible to a global audience, transcending language barriers. Content creators are tapping into this technology to significantly broaden their reach. Translated content can garner more views, increase AdSense revenue, attract higher-paying sponsorships, and boost sales of products and courses, ultimately fortifying their business. Whether for personal use or as a service, video translation is proving to be a lucrative business model, especially when paired with other content services. It's a strategic move for creators aiming to maximize their impact in the international market. For our discerning YouTube audience, I'd like to highlight a remarkable evolution in content creation technology. Over the past year, we've witnessed a rapid advancement in AI image generators, and I foresee a similar leap for video generation in 2024. We're at the cusp of this innovation with initiatives like PicaArt, currently in beta. If their demonstrations are anything to go by, we're on the verge of a transformative era in video production. PicaArt promises to revolutionize video canvases, crafting entire sequences in cartoon and anime art styles, complete with realistic lighting and animation. The results? Impressively high-quality graphics. While PicaArt is still in its early stages, Runway, another pioneering project, offers us a glimpse into the future of AI-assisted video creation. With recent updates, Runway goes beyond generating brief clips from textual prompts. Users can now upload an image and transform it into a dynamic video sequence, controlling camera movements and animating specific areas with intuitive tools. After a simple generation process, the outcome is a polished video that belies the technology's nascent stage. Having applied this to numerous images myself, the results are consistently remarkable, a testament to the potential of AI in video production. While AI-generated videos may not supplant influencer-driven content, they certainly carve out a niche. From enhancing faceless channels to enriching B-roll footage, AI video is poised to be the next disruptor. And for the beloved genres of explainer videos, like Subway Surfer and Minecraft Parkour, AI video holds a promising place. It's an exciting time for creators and audiences alike as we embrace the dawn of AI in video. Turning our attention to the realm of art, the second domain where AI can significantly bolster our earning potential, I bring you insights from my extensive experience. The commercial prospects of AI-generated art are vast, ranging from stickers and animal portraits to clip art and poster prints. Online marketplaces are already witnessing a surge in revenue, with thousands of dollars being earned monthly through the sale of AI art. The conversation has shifted from choosing an AI art generator to mastering its use, thanks to the plethora of tools available like Midjourney, DALL-E, and Firefly. This is where platforms like FreeFlow come into play. FreeFlow offers a behind-the-scenes look, empowering creators to craft images akin to those on display. Users can peruse a catalog, filter by style to explore diverse image collections, or search by keyword to uncover a plethora of high-quality images. Selecting an image becomes a breeze. Take, for example, an eagle image. Upon opening, a click reveals the full prompt and the generator used, allowing for replication with Midjourney. The result? A high-fidelity image mirroring the original style. Moreover, Altering the prompt's subject matter enables the creation of themed image collections ripe for online sale. While FreeFlow isn't an AI itself, it enhances the efficacy of image generator AIs. For those in dropshipping, print-on-demand, or digital products, it's a time saver, eliminating the hunt for the perfect prompt. Simply find an image that matches your desired style, extract the prompt, and let the generator work its magic, crafting and refining as needed. Subsequently, I could utilize this image with a platform such as Printify, applying it to any product I wish to sell, and then post it online for purchase. Once you select the product you intend to sell and upload the design to it, you can link it to your website or online shop and list it for sale. Essentially, in the same manner that people purchase humorous t-shirts, mugs with designs, or pillows with creative patterns, you are simply offering a product with a design on it, and that design is created with AI. When it sells, you pay Printify to print and ship that product directly to your customer, and you retain the difference of the sale as your profit. The best part about Printify is that it's completely free to get started with, and once you start seeing some sales, you can always upgrade your account to receive more discounts on the products you're selling. AI simply enables you to create designs for print-on-demand products much faster. Programs like FreeFlow make that process even more straightforward. In today's digital age, nearly a third of all business transactions occur online. This underscores the importance of having a robust website and a competent customer support team. The process of building a website, which once required substantial investment and weeks of work, has been significantly streamlined with the advent of website builders and templates. Now, we introduce you to 10Web, an AI-powered website builder that revolutionizes the process even further. With 10Web, a few simple details about your business can be transformed into a fully operational and visually appealing website in mere minutes. The process is straightforward. You provide answers to a few questions about your business, and the AI generates a customized, themed web page based on your responses. You have the flexibility to add pages and control the layout with the help of AI. You can even use it to replicate an existing website. The entire package is hosted on the 10Web platform, ensuring smooth operation and optimal efficiency. This means that regardless of your service or business type, creating a website has never been easier. For those offering web development services, this also translates into faster delivery times, which can be leveraged to justify higher service charges. Welcome to the future of web development with 10Web. Just like any other sector, this next one also necessitates some effort and learning to truly understand the underlying business model. However, the advent of AI has significantly simplified this process, particularly in the coding sector. Screenshot to Code is an innovative AI tool that does exactly what its name suggests. You can upload a screenshot of a web page you wish to recreate, and without any prior coding knowledge, the tool will convert the screenshot into functional code. Initially, I was skeptical about its effectiveness, so I decided to test it myself. I took a screenshot of a relatively simple website, uploaded it, and the tool immediately started converting the image into code. You can watch the code being generated in real time. While this was a simple website, the results were impressive. The tool can also work with specific elements. For instance, if you upload an image of a few elements you want to add to your website, the tool quickly generates a version of them. You can request additional updates, such as adding hover animations and features to the buttons you've created. You can even assign it more complex tasks, like transforming the upload section into a file selector, and the tool will adjust the code accordingly. This tool is incredibly versatile. For example, if you wanted to replicate a login page for your own website, you could simply take a screenshot, upload it, and watch as the tool generates the code right before your eyes. You can then copy this code and integrate it into your own website. Even Safari recognizes this as a legitimate password field. These programs are still in their early stages. Imagine their potential in 3 to 6 months, after numerous updates. I predict they will be both exciting and profitable to use. I hope you found this video both informative and engaging. Peace.